Beef stew is the ultimate comfort food for cold weather and serving a crowd. A hearty one-pot wonder you can whip up in just 20 minutes. Packed with nutrients, savory flavor, and guaranteed to keep you satisfied, so less snacking. Give me the next 3 minutes and I'll show you how with the basics from our weekly natural foods delivery with fresh, farm-to-table ingredients. But first, we start our peaceful prep by seasoning our meat. 2 pounds of your favorite ground. I love the remarkable power of ground organ meat. Salt for added flavor. And then, to add more complexity, I blend with a seasoned ground pork sausage. Spread into bite-sized pieces and set aside to bring to room temp for easy browning in just a minute. Next, our veg. I love carrots for color, mild crunch, and packed with nutrients, and they're affordable. Simply slice into your favorite shape, like these round discs. Celery, too, provides a mild crunch. It's ever affordable and fabulous in fiber for gut health. Slice into little crescents. Next, onions for our aromatics. Or here I have leeks, which are excellent in stews because they have a mild, sweet, onion-like flavor that provide depth and complexity to the dish without overpowering the other ingredients. Throw in whatever mushrooms inspire you, and anything goes. I just happened across these irresistible chanterelles with fruity, nutty flavor. And not everyone loves mushrooms, so I hide them in the dish by cutting them into little bits, including the stems, which add a rich, tender texture. Also high in nutrition, including antioxidants that support bone health and immunity. As you know by now, I sneak power greens in nearly all my dishes. Simply strip from the stem, gather into a pile, and rough chop. Greens are low in calories, easy affordable, and black kale is a wonder food, rich in potassium, which supports heart health and regulates blood pressure. I also throw in tomatoes for an acidic tang in the dish. Here is this week's heirloom variety, fresh from the farm, but use whatever tomato inspires you. And don't forget our garlic. Again, I use it in nearly all my dishes for added depth of flavor, and garlic is a potent antioxidant. Simply snip off the root end, smash with the smooth surface of your knife's blade, and easily peel. With everything prepped, now we simply sauté. With your one-pot wonder Dutch oven at medium-high, add your room temp ground meat mixture. Spread evenly for steam to rise, and so the meat will crisp to a golden brown. Once thoroughly cooked through, use a spider strainer to pull the meat from the rendered fat, which we use to crisp our nutrient powerhouse mushrooms, which act like little sponges, so they need a generous, healthy fat to brown. I invite you to watch the remarkable movie Fantastic Fungi. The official trailer link is in the notes below. It's a game changer. Push your mushrooms to the sides and mince in your garlic. Then add your leeks. Beautiful color, delicious aroma, and unbelievably healthy. After just a few moments, again, use your spider strainer to pull the mushroom mixture from the pot. Next, a healthy drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and in goes your crisp, fresh veg. Let cook 5 to 10 minutes to your desired doneness. A generous sprinkle of salt, then add your tomatoes for brightness and tang. Mix together, and in goes your greens for another 5 minutes. A sprinkle of salt. Place the lid to trap moisture to help soften and tenderize the mixture. And now my secret step. A few cubes of my homemade meat braise broth. I pull this from my weekly meat braise to store in the freezer and add to many of my dishes. A savory reduction of bone broth, tang, and sweetness. Honestly, it will elevate any dish. My meat braise recipe link is in the notes, and I promise, it too is a game changer. And if you don't have a secret braise sauce weapon, no worries. Simply sprinkle in your favorite seasoning spices. Here are a few of my go-tos. The final step is simply combining all your ingredients back into the single pot. Keep warm with the lid on until ready to serve. A hearty beef stew ready in just 20 minutes, all made with just one pot. Packed with powerful nutrients for a crowd, or batch cooking for lots of leftovers. Enjoy.